good morning everyone. I just arrived at Tolmin Gorge after a 2.5 hours drive through the mountains, and I'm so proud of myself because I didn't stop once. So this car, I love Renault Clio. Now I'm going to do the hike. I'm so excited and I'm so glad that I can finally get out of this car because 2.5 hours were quite some time, especially because there was a roadblock and the signs were all in Slovenian, so I didn't know what they were saying, and I tried Google Translate, but it didn't recognize the words. So yeah, that's so great. Ha, real adventure. But hey, the most important thing is I arrived, I found it, and now I'm just going to enjoy nature. It doesn't rain at the moment, so that's nice. So yeah, now I'm going to stop talking because I just keep talking, and I'm going to enjoy my day. So see you later. climbed 500 stairs to reach this cave. It's just really dark. Now let's see if we can go inside. I'm not too keen on that. But let's go. I hate the dark, and believe me, it looks much lighter on camera. Okay. Are we supposed to go in? I don't think so. Who knows? There is a bear. I'm not going any further. It's raining again, so that's why I haven't been filming a lot. Because otherwise the camera gets wet again. So now I'm going back and back to the car. And I think there are still some awesome views on the way back. So keep watching. Okay, so now I'm on my way to Slap Kozjak. And it's supposed to be a really cool waterfall. I just hope there isn't that much water in it so I can make a good picture. Look at the color of the water. It's amazing. So green. This feels like Jurassic Park. You have to see this. Wow. Walk through the river! Yay! Oh my god! ever seen. It's like I'm in Jurassic Park. The canyon is amazing. You really have to go here to see for yourself, because I'm pretty sure these videos and pictures don't do it any justice. So awesome. And now I have to go back to the car and then find my new home to stay, my new apartment for the next 2 nights. So I just arrived at the apartment and I'm waiting for the owner to come because they're not here at the moment. So I had to call them and they're on their way. It's raining and apparently there is absolutely nothing here. So I have to check where the supermarket is so that I can make my own food. Because I'm in this little, but really bleh, little town in the mountains. But I don't see the mountains because of the clouds. There are mountains. See? So just waiting in the rain, hoping they will come soon. Okay, so I've got the keys to my apartment. As you can see, I have a garden, but it's not really sunny, so I won't be using it. Here is the kitchen. It's actually bigger than my own. Voila. There's a sofa and a table and chairs. Tiny TV. Too funny. Okay, and what's here? Oh, it's really big. Is this the light? Yes. Okay, so this is the kids' room, I suppose. And this will be my room. Okay, where is the light? This is my bed. And this will be the bathroom. Okay. Hi. It's okay. And I've got it all to myself. So now I'm going to unpack a little, install myself, and then probably go to the one restaurant that's in the neighborhood. Oh man, I look awful. Yeah. And tomorrow is supermarket time.